Video we talk about how to create 3 BHK house plan by using artificial intelligence called Plan Finder. Let's start the project. Create the template, architecture template. First we have to select the wall from here. Take the rectangle. Provide the area in which you want to plan your 3 BHK house. $36 feet. We will take it 36 feet by 36 by 50 feet. Within this area we create our house plan. Okay, after drawing the boundary area, you have to go in Plan Finder. You will see in the menu bar here you have see Plan Finder is there. If you have not watched my previous video, you must watch before creating plan through Plan Finder, because in previous video I have clearly explained about the Plan Finder, how it is used and how to install. If you have not watched, please watch the video before watching this video. I will provide link in the description also, so it will be easy for you to know. Let's start. Click on Plan Finder. You will see fit, furnish and generate. You have to click on fit. It will show the option. First we have to select boundary area first, second corner, just wait for some second. You will see the magic of Plan Finder. Here you will see 3 BHK has been created. 1, 2 and 3 bedroom with living room, storage room, circulation bathroom, bathroom with attached bathroom. And if you want to change the plan, you can change the plan also. You have the option to change the plan. You will see here arrow mark is there. Click on here. You will see this same area with same area, other plan is there. You can select any of one as per your requirement. Okay, you will see. So I will select this one. Okay, if you want to change the bedroom, if you want 2 BHK, you can select from here 2 bed. It will be created as 2 BHK. Okay, so I want this one, so I can apply here. Three BHK plan has been created, you will see furniture is also have been applied. This furniture is included in plan finder. This is not the rabbit family, it is a plan finder furnitures. Okay, let's see in 3D. You will see the plan has been automatically generated. You have nothing to do, it will generate everything itself. Okay, you have to just adjust it. Okay, now you can see plan 3 BHK plan has been generated through artificial intelligence. If you want to create your floor, you can create floor also. Click on the floor, you can select rectangle here, take offset 2 feet, 1 feet. Okay, you will see the floor has been generated. In this way you can create the plan by using artificial intelligence plugin called Plan Finder. You see this wall is too long because it has not been set, so select all wall and go here, set the label. Now you will see. Okay, thank you for watching the video.